Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Swift Current, a lively prairie city in southwest Saskatchewan with a big heart and a rich history. The name comes from the creek that runs through town, once called Rivière au Courant by early fur traders, which means River of the Swift Current. The area has long been a gathering place, first for indigenous peoples and later for settlers and traders moving west. Swift Current really started to grow in the early 1900s thanks to the arrival of the railway and the rise of farming. Today, it's known for its strong community spirit, wide open skies, and friendly atmosphere. The downtown has a mix of old buildings and modern spots with local shops and cafes. You'll also find beautiful parks, walking trails, and views of the prairie that go on forever. There's always something happening here, from rodeos to concerts to farmers markets. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Swift Current is a lovely place to visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Swift Current, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.